guys. Thank you so much for joining us here today. My name is Dana Gerardo. I am one of the providers here at Mana Audiology in Matthews, and I wanted to take some time to discuss the different types of accessories that are available for use with hearing instruments. Now, most hearing instrument devices today are already Bluetooth compatible, whether it's built in or there's an accessory that goes along with it. This allows us to stream music and telephone calls and just helps make life easier. You can even tap your ear to answer and hang up calls. If your hearing instrument does not have Bluetooth compatibility already built in, there are typically accessories that are available to make life a little bit easier. Sometimes you wear something around your neck, or even you have a little clip that would clip to your lapel that may look something like this. It could look different. The one around your neck may look something like this, or it could be a little bit smaller. It's manufacturer specific, so if you have questions about what works with your hearing instrument, give us a call and we'll help guide you through that process. They also have devices that you can stream with that helps us hear TV better. TV is so frustrating for so many people, even people who do not have hearing loss. They make little boxes. This is an example of one. You actually connect it to your TV and your hearing aid is paired directly with the box. You push a little button, or you go to your cell phone into your app and you activate it, and it streams TV directly to your hearing aids. This allows you to make adjustments for yourself and not interfere with our family members or loved ones who may be watching TV with us that are telling us, oh, it's too loud, or maybe it's not loud enough. They also make devices for us folks that live here in the hot, humid South. It's hot, it's humid, we sweat. If you work outside, or you are just a person who typically sweats a lot, you may want to consider getting something like a dehumidifier. This is one that we recommend here in the office, but there are many different types, and again, they are manufacturer specific, so if you need some help trying to figure out which one would be appropriate for you, just give our office a call. They also make bands that you can wrap around your head, so say you want to keep your hearing instruments in because they're paired with your cell phone and you want to stream some music, but you're at the gym and you sweat a lot and you're just worried about damaging your hearing instruments. Well, they make some bands that you can actually wear around your head. It's kind of think of it as a sweatband that will help capture that moisture so it doesn't go directly to the hearing instrument. They also make sleeves that slide over the hearing instrument and you wear them just like you do. It's sweat wicking material, so it just keeps the moisture away from your microphones and helps keep your hearing instruments from getting damaged. They also make tools that are available for meetings, such as you're in a conference and you're just really struggling hearing the person across the table. It's a large room and there's just not a lot in there to help absorb sound so things aren't echoey. You can get a microphone that actually sets right in the middle of the table that will allow the people around you's voices to stream directly to your hearing aids. There are so many different types of hearing aid accessories that are tailored to specific lifestyles. Give our office a call. Let us help guide you through the process and help us find the accessories that are best for you. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to join us. We would love to see you here in the office for an evaluation or even just a clean and check if you're new to the area and you're looking for someone to take care of you. We are here for you. Give our office a call at 704-845-1717, or you can schedule an appointment directly on the web at www.manaaudiology.com. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.